Today we had a little bit of a run on our winter merchandise that has been sitting around all year, and now we brought it down on the sales floor. We had a little unexpected weather roll in. Weather in the 80s yesterday, and now in the 20s today. It's not unusual to get a little bit of snow in September, but the type of numbers we're supposed to get by the end of the day here is a little bit more than usual. But a typical September can be cooler, but it can also be really warm summer conditions as well, but typically not a blizzard.
So 2 of us have backpacked before, 1 of us hasn't ever backpacked before, and I'm the only one that's hiked like in kind of the Colorado, or like a mountainous Colorado area, but definitely never woken up to snow and never experienced a 50-degree temperature change overnight. So that's all new for all of us.
Fingers are cold.
We bought some extra supplies before we went out on the trail. A couple extra layers, just extra blanket to make sure we'd be warm enough in our tent. But we haven't been cold at all. We've been well prepared. On the road again.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri, and I'm here because my son's getting married tomorrow. The wedding was canceled in June and we rescheduled for September. They avoided November and December dates because of possible unpredictable weather in Estes Park in November and December. We didn't think we'd have to worry about it in the beginning of September.